7 Steps to Becoming a Millionaire. Welcome to GrowRich, where we empower aspiring millionaires to unlock their full potential and achieve financial success. We believe that with the right mindset and tools, anyone can turn their dreams into reality and create lasting wealth. Our mission is to provide our members with the resources and support needed to cultivate a prosperous future. Join us on this journey to financial freedom and start growing your wealth today. It takes as much energy to wish as it does to plan. Eleanor Roosevelt. To become a millionaire, one must show dedication, discipline, and make wise financial decisions. The secret to becoming a millionaire may not be a magic formula, but some tried and true strategies have proven successful for others. I am excited to share with you 7 tips on how to become a millionaire. 1. Invest in yourself. Continuously learn new skills and gain knowledge to increase your value in the marketplace. One of the most significant steps towards becoming a millionaire is to invest in yourself. This means continuously learning new skills, gaining knowledge, and networking to increase your value in the marketplace. Whether it's taking courses, reading books, attending conferences, or joining professional organizations, investing in yourself will help you stand out in a crowded job market. Your earning potential will increase as a result. 2. Set financial goals. Set realistic goals for savings, investments, and other financial milestones. Create a plan to achieve them. Another key step towards becoming a millionaire is to set clear financial goals. Without specific targets to aim for, it's difficult to measure progress and stay motivated. Set realistic goals for savings, investments, and other financial milestones, and then create a plan to achieve them. This will help you stay focused and make smart financial decisions that align with your long-term objectives. 3. Save and invest wisely. Create a budget and track expenses to identify areas to save money. To become a millionaire, you need to save and invest money consistently over time. Start by creating a budget and tracking your expenses to identify areas where you can cut costs and save more money. Once you have some savings built up, start investing in assets that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. This could include stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investment vehicles. 4. Be disciplined. Practice financial discipline and make smart spending choices. Avoid impulse purchases and unnecessary expenses. Discipline is the key to achieving financial success. This means practicing financial discipline and making smart spending choices. Avoid impulse purchases and unnecessary expenses that can derail your progress. Instead, focus on saving and investing consistently over time, even when it's difficult or inconvenient. 5. Build multiple streams of income. Start a side business, invest in rental properties, or explore other opportunities for additional income. Another key strategy for becoming a millionaire is to build multiple streams of income. This could mean starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or exploring other opportunities to earn additional income. By diversifying your sources of income, you can reduce your reliance on any single source of revenue and increase your earning potential over time. 6. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Connect with individuals who share the same goals and values. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people who share your goals and values can be a powerful motivator. Connect with individuals who have similar goals and are working towards achieving them. This can provide support and motivation to keep pushing towards your financial goals, as well as opportunities to network and learn from others. 7. Stay focused and persevere. Persevere and focus to achieve financial success. Finally, becoming a millionaire requires perseverance and focus. It's not easy, and there will be obstacles along the way. Stay focused on your goals, and don't give up when faced with setbacks. Persistence and determination are key components of long-term success. In conclusion, becoming a millionaire requires a combination of smart financial decisions, discipline, and perseverance. By investing in yourself, setting clear financial goals, saving and investing wisely, being disciplined, building multiple streams of income, surrounding yourself with like-minded people, and staying focused and determined, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success and reaching your millionaire goal. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new content that can help you on your journey to financial prosperity. So hit that button now and join our community of like-minded individuals who are committed to achieving financial success.